Ever feel like you're chasing your tail trying to get paid? You've delivered the goods or services, your customer is happy, but that crucial piece of paper, the invoice, feels like a mountain to climb. If you're using NetSuite, you're in luck. What if I told you that creating professional and accurate invoices in NetSuite can be a breeze, saving you time and getting you paid faster? Think about it. How much time do you currently spend manually creating invoices, double-checking figures, and ensuring everything is just right? Those precious minutes add up, taking you away from focusing on growing your business. NetSuite offers a streamlined approach to invoicing, integrating seamlessly with your sales orders, customer records, and inventory data. This means less manual entry, reduced errors, and a more efficient billing process overall. In this video, we're going to unlock the power of NetSuite invoicing. We'll walk through the entire process step by step, showing you just how intuitive and powerful this feature can be. Whether you're new to NetSuite or looking to refine your invoicing workflow, this guide is for you. We'll cover everything from creating invoices from scratch to leveraging sales orders, customizing your invoice templates, and even sending them directly to your customers. So, are you ready to ditch the invoice headaches and embrace a smoother, more efficient way of getting paid? Let's dive in. First things first, there are a couple of ways to initiate the invoice creation process in NetSuite. The most common and efficient method is to generate an invoice directly from a sales order. Think of the sales order as the foundation. It contains all the details of the transaction, including the customer, items ordered, quantities, and pricing. Turning that sales order into an invoice is a logical next step. To do this, navigate to your sales order. You can find it by going to Transactions, Sales, enter sales orders, and then either creating a new one or finding an existing order that you need to bill. Once you have the sales order open, look for the Bill button, usually located at the top of the page. Clicking this button will automatically pull all the relevant information from the sales order into a new invoice record. It's as simple as that. NetSuite pre-populates fields like the customer details, billing address, items, quantities, rates, and any applicable taxes and shipping costs. Now, let's say you need to create an invoice for services rendered or other situations where a sales order might not be the starting point. In this case, you can create a standalone invoice. To do this, go to Transactions, Sales, Create Invoices. This will open a blank invoice form. Here, you'll need to manually select your customer from the drop-down list. Once you select the customer, NetSuite will automatically populate their billing address and other relevant information. Next, you'll need to add the items or services you're billing for. In the Items subtab, you can select items from your inventory or enter non-inventory items or services. For each item, you'll specify the quantity, rate, and any applicable discounts or markups. Whether you're creating an invoice from a sales order or from scratch, you'll notice several key fields on the invoice form. Let's take a closer look at some of the most important ones. Customer. This field identifies the customer you are billing. Billing address. This is the address where the invoice will be sent. Date. This is the date the invoice is created. Posting period. This determines the accounting period the invoice will be recorded in. Terms. These specify the payment terms, such as net 30 or due upon receipt. Item subtab. This is where you list the products or services being billed, along with their quantities, rates, and amounts. Tax total. This displays the total amount of tax being charged, if applicable. NetSuite can automatically calculate taxes based on your setup. Shipping cost. If there are shipping charges, they will be displayed here. Total. This is the final amount due from the customer. Memo. This is a field where you can add any internal notes or details about the invoice. One of the great features of NetSuite is the ability to customize your invoice templates. You can add your company logo, change the layout, and include specific information that you want to display to your customers. To customize your invoice templates, navigate to Customization, Forms, Transaction Form Layouts. Here, you can select your standard invoice template and make modifications to the header, body, and footer. You can add fields, rearrange columns, and even apply different formatting options to match your branding. having a professional-looking and well-branded invoice can significantly enhance your customer communication. Once you've created and reviewed your invoice to ensure accuracy, the next step is to send it to your customer. NetSuite offers several ways to do this. You can print the invoice as a PDF and email it manually, or you can leverage NetSuite's direct email functionality. To email the invoice directly from NetSuite, simply click the email button on the invoice record. NetSuite will automatically attach a PDF version of the invoice to a new email message, pre-populating the recipient's email address from the customer record. You can customize the email message before sending it. Keeping track of your invoices and their payment status is crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow. NetSuite provides robust reporting and tracking tools to help you stay on top of your receivables. You can easily view a list of outstanding invoices, see which ones are overdue, and even send reminder emails to customers with past due balances. To access these reports, navigate to Reports, Sales, Open Invoices, or Accounts Receivable Aging. These reports provide valuable insights into your payment trends and help you identify any potential issues. Beyond the basics, NetSuite offers even more advanced invoicing features. For example, you can set up recurring invoices for subscription-based services or create consolidated invoices for customers with multiple orders. You can also integrate NetSuite with payment gateways to allow your customers to pay their invoices online, streamlining the payment process and getting you paid even faster. Exploring these advanced features can further optimize your invoicing workflow and improve your overall efficiency. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at creating invoices in NetSuite. From leveraging sales orders to customizing templates and tracking payments, NetSuite provides a powerful and integrated solution for managing your billing process. By embracing these features, you can save time, reduce errors, improve your cash flow, and ultimately focus on what matters most, growing your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.